of all, I want to introduce myself. My name is Dea Gisela Rentas Tompul. I'm from 12 Social Tree. So now I want to show you guys about how to cook rice correctly. Maybe some of you think that this is the first simple thing, but there's some additional tips from me that can make it perfect. So here we go!
First, wash the rice cooking area before use. Don't wash the rice in the rice cooker, because if we wash rice in a place to cook rice, it will make the place to quickly damage due to continuous friction. To make it easier, we have to prepare a bowl and keep it clean. Use the right amount of rice, then enter the amount you want. I'm currently adding 3 measures of rice. After that, wash the rice. Wash the rice until clean. Repeat up until 3 times the disposal of rice water. FYI, rice water has so many functions, like brighten the face, prevent premature aging, shrink pores, fade black spots, and moisturize facial skin. So, if you want to feel the benefits of rice water, every time you wash rice, you can collect the water in a bucket, then immediately apply it to your face before 2 hours. Washing 3 times, put the clean rice into the rice cooker. Flatten the rice from all sides and measure 1 nickel in length. Wipe all parts exposed to water. Start from the middle, top and bottom to avoid damaging the rice cooker, which is connected to electricity. Don't forget to clean the place where the rice is cooked. Put the rice into the cooking place carefully. Make sure that the rice cooker is connected to the mains and switch to cooking mode.
Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video can help many people.